What's up guys, my name is Joe and this is Apple Pie. And in today's video I'm going to talk about iOS 12 Beta 1 being jailbroken. Jailbroken by some dudes who actually have a history with jailbreaking, and they posted a video in regards to this. So if you want to see more, stick with me. Alright, so first is first, this is Apple Pie, a segment of my channel which is only focusing on Apple products, Apple news, and Apple everything. So if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, the little bell, and you'll be notified immediately. So, as I was browsing the internet yesterday, I found an article on redmonpie.com which had a video embedded that was a jailbreak for iOS 12 and the Beta 1 version. Now, what we see on this video is that the iPhone 10 device is on iOS 12, and then they just install Cydia on it. So, without further ado, let's see this video. Now, after this video, a lot of people have been shouting fake because Cydia would have to be updated by Jay Freeman and blah, 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 blah. I believe what I read on RedmonPie. I consider them a very reliable source. Also, they say that this team, Lian Chen, Marco Grassi, and the whole team have a long history of this kind of jailbreaking. Now, don't be happy about this because you will probably never be able to use their jailbreak because they probably make more money if they sell this information to Apple on how they did it, how Apple can actually patch this. Also, if they go on different kind of keynotes around the country and just talk about securities and how they can, you know, find these kind of loopholes and everything, it's more profitable for this team to use this as a personal advertisement for themselves that they were the first to jailbreak the iPhone 10. Now, you're not going to see this. Apple's going to see it. They're going to patch it. A lot of other security companies are going to see the method. They're going to use it in other kind of elements of their softwares or whatever. So this is iPhone. iPhone is helping us get more secure. Thanks to these guys. Anyway, I also probably would want to see an iOS 12 jailbreak that I can actually use because I kind of miss all those features. Like back in the day, you could like customize the whole iPhone, and it would be really unique to use. So, so I'm really looking forward for an actual great jailbreak for the iPhone 10 or iPhone 10 Plus and the new iPhone 10 in the future. Until then, I don't know. Would you want to jailbreak your device? Are you missing these kind of things? Hit me down in the comment section below. Until the next video, stay safe and hang loose.